Hi, I'm Nate, and I'm excited to introduce Dripify, the most trusted sales automation tool transforming lead generation for thousands of businesses worldwide. Whether you're running your own business, making sales happen, or hunting for top talent, Dripify's got your back. We're talking about a complete autopilot that generates prospects and opportunities for your company every single day. Let's dive in and see how it works. Welcome to Dripify's dashboard, your very own outreach HQ. Everything kicks off with a campaign. So let's hit New Campaign. First, we need to add the leads you want to reach out to. Click Add Leads and choose where you'd like to source them from. The LinkedIn search page, with 3 options based on the LinkedIn account you use: free, Sales Navigator, or Recruiter. Events, groups, your network of first-level connections, a CSV file, or simply by pasting LinkedIn profile links. If you want to explore all the options for adding leads in more detail, we have a separate video that walks you through each method step by step. For now, we'll go with the most common way of adding leads: basic LinkedIn search. Click the link to go to the LinkedIn search page and apply filters to find the right leads for our campaign. Let's target chief marketing officers in tech and information companies in the United States. So we select second and third level connections. United States, technology, information, and internet industry, and type CMO in the title field. Perfect. Now copy the URL, return to Dripify, and paste it into the field. You can transfer the maximum possible number of profiles to the list, or choose how many you want. Press Next, and name the list CMO, USA, Tech and Info. Wonderful! Our list is created. You can create more lists or move on to the next stage. Let's move on. On this page, you can choose a pre-built template or flex your creative muscles and build your own sequence. Let's build a custom sequence so you can see how it's done. Now we're in the sequence builder, the heart and soul of Dripify. Today we want to create a lead generation campaign combining both LinkedIn and email actions. Click Add to see all the cool actions and conditions we can use. Let's start with sending a connection request on LinkedIn. Hit Send an Invite and write a note that feels like it was written just for them. Remember, these variables are your friends. Use them to build a message that feels real. For leads that accept the request and for those that don't. If a lead doesn't accept within 1 day, we can view their profile. Maybe they just missed our invite. Wait 3 days. Like their post. And wait 5 more days. If they still haven't accepted our connection request, it's time to move on and withdraw the request. And here, we don't simply give up. We try finding their email with Dripify's Email Finder. The Email Finder is an amazing tool that can find corporate email addresses for any LinkedIn profile with a success rate of 45 to 55%. This helps you reach more leads and eventually close more deals. Watch our video on Email Finder for more details and insights. Now, let's return to the sequence builder. After adding the Find Email action, the path splits again. If the email is found, we can send an email. So we add a subject line, and the email body, then wait 4 days, and send a follow-up if no response. If the email is not found, we can simply end this path. Let's close this one as well. All right, it's time to set up some actions for those leads who accept our connection request, no matter when they do. We can endorse their skills. We all know a little flattery goes a long way. And send the first message. And close the sequence. This sequence is just a sample of the endless possibilities Dripify offers. The sky's the limit when it comes to customizing your outreach. We've got a video packed with tips and tricks for mastering the sequence builder, so check it out if you'd like to go a bit deeper. For now, let's focus on the rest of Dripify's awesome features. No need to worry about overwhelming your leads with messages. Dripify cleverly pauses a sequence the moment a lead responds, so you can engage with them personally. And should you want to continue the automated sequence, simply unpause them and Dripify will pick up right where it left off. With our sequence all set up, let's not waste any more time. We click Next and finish setting up our campaign. Here we simply give our campaign a name and choose which leads to skip. Webhook integration is optional. It allows you to connect this campaign with tools like HubSpot, Slack, or Google Spreadsheets, pushing data from Dripify once a specific action is performed. For example, you can automatically create a contact in your CRM when a connection request is accepted. Then, hit that launch button and let Dripify handle your outreach on autopilot. Now, as you can see, leads are being uploaded from LinkedIn to the campaign, and those already uploaded will start entering the sequence one by one. Let's open it up. Head to the Sequence tab, and you'll see exactly where each lead is in the outreach process. For safety, it takes some time to transfer all leads from LinkedIn to Dripify. Don't worry if you don't see all the leads immediately. They'll appear in a few hours. The process is fully automated and works in the cloud, so you can close Dripify, turn off your laptop, and it will still work for you. You can also go to the Statistics tab to see some stats and recent activity. Go to Audience to review your lists of leads or create additional ones, and change your campaign settings. Let's go to the dashboard and see what we got there. The dashboard page is designed for you to understand what exactly is going on with your LinkedIn account, see how your campaigns are performing, and evaluate the work of your team members. So, here you can see your daily stats of major actions performed today. In case you need a more detailed activity report, simply click View More, and it will take you to the Account Statistics page. Let's go back to the dashboard. The Recent Activity section is your live feed of everything Dripify has been doing for you, so you can always stay in the loop. Below, you'll see a list of your recent campaigns with crucial metrics like acceptance and response rate. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find your team stats, a handy overview of their activities. Want to see more? Just click here to access their individual profile to watch their performance charts, recent campaigns, and even log into their Dripify account. Once you're in, you can fully manage your team members' Dripify account, create campaigns, add leads, watch conversations, or chat with leads on their behalf. You've got full control, including access to all their analytics. Sounds awesome, right? All right, let's head back to our own Dripify account now. And check the inbox. All your conversations with leads show up here. Here you can quickly respond conversations. One thing to note, this smart inbox is a special space dedicated to the conversations you're having exclusively with leads from your Dripify campaigns. Any other LinkedIn conversations with people who are not part of your Dripify campaigns will not appear here. This makes the Dripify inbox a clean and focused space to manage your outreach conversations and close deals. Okay, let's dive into the Leads tab. Here's your complete list of prospects loaded into your Dripify campaigns. If a lead doesn't have an email address, our email finder tool can help you uncover it. If you click on a lead, you'll access their profile with additional info like contact details, recent activity, campaigns they're in, and notes. For those of you who want to dive deeper into the world of lead management, we have a detailed video tutorial that covers everything from working with leads effectively to segmenting and re-engaging them for maximum results. All right, time for a quick settings check-in. Here you can tweak your daily limits for sending connection requests, messages, and more. Or if you prefer a hands-off approach, turn on activity control. It's a smart feature that automatically adjusts your limits to keep your LinkedIn account safe from being flagged for excessive activity. It considers all sorts of factors, like your network size, your account age, type, and past activity. Therefore, it's highly recommended to keep it enabled. Working hours allows you to choose when you want Dripify to run campaigns. Sequence templates is where you keep your sequences. See all save sequences and share them with your team. And you can access the data scrubber, which is another cool feature that removes unnecessary symbols and emojis from leads' profile names. Now you have a good understanding of how Dripify works. I hope you enjoyed this tour. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found it helpful and subscribe to stay tuned for more insights and powerful LinkedIn strategies, along with updates on new Dripify features. We've got a lot to share with you, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching and happy Dripifying.